Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to temporarily deactivate a TikTok account or profile. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up your TikTok profile by selecting the profile icon in the bottom right, and then select the hamburger icon at the top right, left click on that, and then select Settings and Privacy. Underneath account, select the account button, and then where it says deactivate or delete your account, left click on that. So if you want to deactivate your account, you would select this first option here. So no one can see your account, including all your content that's stored on it. Reactivating your account and recover all content anytime. So that's the deactivation option. So there's also the delete permanently option, which you do have the ability to reactivate within 30 days if you change your mind. So basically, if you want to leave TikTok temporarily, simply deactivate your account. If you want to delete your account instead, you won't be able to recover it after 30 days. That's basically the synopsis or the difference between the two. And then you just would proceed with the steps on the screen. And that is all you would have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.